Hello, everyone. Welcome to Apollo Machinery. We are a professional blow molding machine manufacturer. Until now, we have more than 20 years of history. During these 20 years, our machines have been sold to more than 50 countries around the world and have been highly praised by many customers. As you can see, this is our newest factory, and all the machines in it have been ordered by customers all over the world. As one of the top 5 blow molding machine manufacturers in China, our machines can produce various products from 100 milliliters to 3000 L, including milk bottles, toys, oil drums, chemical barrels, IBC ton barrels, etc. We also provide customers with one-stop professional services. No matter what product you need to manufacture, just give us a picture or an idea, and our engineers can design a product for you that meets your requirements. In order to ensure the quality of the machine, the components used in our machines are all internationally renowned brands, such as Mitsubishi, Schneider, Moog, Fortec, etc. It is precisely because of these that our machines can produce stably and provide customers with higher value. If you are interested in our machines, please contact me.